Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. This is Kamrun, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 8, today I am going to take your Agriculture Studies class and our today's topic is Lesson 2 from Chapter 1. So let's start our class today. So this is your Agriculture Studies class and today we will discuss Chapter 1, Lesson 2. And this one is lecture 2 and there will be homework number 2. Okay, so you will make 5 MCQ with answer from this chapter. Okay, this one is your homework number 2, chapter 1, lesson 2, make 5 MCQ with answer. So let's start our class. So we will try to underline the important lines also. Okay, and the name of this chapter is Agriculture in Bangladesh and International Perspectives, lesson 2. And lesson 2 is about the lifestyle and culture of Bangladeshi people and modernization of agriculture. Okay, so we need to know about it also. The lifestyle, culture and agriculture in Bangladeshi people are tied in the same string. From the ancient time, in agriculture was one of the major supports of this country. With the advancement of time, this ancient agriculture has developed by the touch of modernization. By using modern agriculture and technologies, our agriculture has been carrying gigantic success in agricultural production. In spite of this, once upon a time, the agro-based country Bangladesh faced a serious food scarcity and famine. Besides this, the famine during the Second World War engulfed Bangladesh. So there was a great impact of Second World War in Bangladesh, especially on food. In fear of being plundered by Japanese army, the British government either took away the food grain from Bangladesh and Assam to the west or destroyed them. So now look, you can underline this one, in fear of being plunged. Okay, now look, you can underline in fear of being plunged, the British government took the food grain from Bengal and Assam. Okay, so as a result, millions of people in East Bengal died from unbearable famine. And at the time, British government took an outstanding decision in spite of having difficulties in the World War. So British government, after the famine, when there's the scarcity of food, the British government took an outstanding decision. And what is it? Now look, they established an agricultural institution at Shere Bangla Nagar in Dhaka. Okay, so they established an agricultural institution at Shere Bangla Nagar in Dhaka, and this one is now Shere Bangla Agricultural University. Okay, and they also established a veterinary college in Kumila, that means the hospital of the animals, and a faculty of agriculture in the University of Dhaka. And they also started a faculty of university in Dhaka, which initiated the facility of taking a bachelor degree in the field of agriculture. So in addition, they started a specialized department as the Department of Agriculture. So they also started a specialized department, and the name of this department is the Department of Agriculture. Although it did not improve the famine situation instantly, the modernization of agriculture was initiated. Before independence in 1961, an agriculture university was established in Mymensingh district. So an agriculture university was established in Mymensingh district, and the university is now known as Bangladesh Agriculture University. So one and only Bangladesh Agriculture University is in Mymensingh. Later, some agricultural extension training institutions just like AETI and veterinary training institutions like VTI. Okay, so you will know the short form, were established to make skilled field worker at grassroots level. Almost every district got a government agriculture firm and a poultry firm, also a dairy firm in some districts as demonstration firms. To perform research on economic crops like jute, sugarcane and tea, specialized research institutes were established in Dhaka, Ishordi and Sri Mangal respectively. So where are they? Specialist research institution Dhaka, Ishordi and Sri Mangal. Okay, Sri Mangal. In parallel with this, an agricultural and rice research institutions were established in Gazipur. So you will find a rice research institution in Gazipur. So as a result of these initiatives, instead of accomplishments, the initiation of the modernization of agriculture was started in the early 90s. This influenced rice cultivation the most. Local rice varieties with various taste and aroma having a low yield was replaced by high yielding modern varieties developed by IRRI and BRRI. So which one replaced? IRRI and BRRI. The cultivation of these rice varieties increased the demand for fertilizers and machinery for irrigation and other cultural practices. So as a result, cost of production of per acre has been increasing gradually. Okay, so when you introduce the modern machinery or fertilizer, the production cost has increased, and although the production of crops has begun to increase due to introduction of modern technologies. So farmers with less or no capital either converted into field workers or migrated to cities and towns to find new professions. So what happened to the poor farmers? The farmers with less or no capital. They converted the field workers or migrated to cities and towns to find the new jobs. Okay. And however, poultry and dairy farming have created some opportunities for employment of rural people. Due to the improved transportation and marketing, the poultry farms are increasing more rapidly near urban areas. Increase in crop production in agriculture, high returns from animal products like egg, milk, meat and leather lead an increase in income and dissemination of education among rural life. So egg, milk, meat and leather has a great impact in the economy of the rural area. Since soil or land is the base of agriculture, scientists are doing endless research works on soil. So now look, scientists are doing research on soil. Scientists have discovered a lot of important information about soil types, soil classifications, soil fertility, soil microorganisms and other benefits. Okay, so what did they find? Some important information about what? Soil types, soil classification, soil fertility and soil microorganisms. And farmers have adopted the technologies regarding nutrition, growth, reproduction, treatments of crop plants, livestock, fishes and fishes, which results in constant advancement of agriculture towards the production of healthy, balanced diets. So today, genetics of plants and animals have brought a great success in agriculture. The productivity of high yielding rice, wheat, maize, barley has been increased many times. So day by day we are developing. At present, now look, you will know this information. At present, there are 5 complete agriculture universities. Now look, there are 5 complete agriculture universities and a veterinary and animal science university in Bangladesh. Okay. Moreover, the newly established Hobbyganj Agriculture University. So you will find a newly established agriculture university and it is in Hobbyganj. That means Hobbyganj Agricultural University will start its function soon. Okay. Beside agricultural study, teachers of most of the science and technology universities conduct research. So as a result of their research, agricultural extension officer and field workers can make high yielding varieties and technology available to the farmers. Now we will go to next page. The agricultural production is developing by leaps and bounds. We heard about hybrid rice. If it is cultivated following proper methods, it may produce more yield than conventional high yielding varieties. Okay, so if you cultivate hybrid rice, you can get more rice in the same field. Scientists imported many kinds of flowers, fruits, vegetables, cattle, fishes, trees, etc. from abroad and added to the existing agriculture. So further, they developed environment-friendly new varieties through breeding that make a better progress of agriculture in this country. So our scientists develop environment-friendly varieties, okay, through breeding. And this advancement of agriculture production has also improved the lifestyle of rural people. Use of agricultural implements is increasing. The diversity of production as well as competition is increasing. At the same time, use of capital is also increasing. Production of fish, poultry and egg is now reached into industrial level. Okay. So now look, production of fish, poultry and egg is now reached into industrial level. So the demand for education and skill is increasing in rural life also. So dear students, Lesson 2 is about the lifestyle and culture of the Bangladeshi people and our modern agriculture. And after going through this lesson, all of you will make 5 MCQ with answer. Okay. At first, you will make the multiple choice question answer, and they will also choose the best answer from lesson 2 and chapter 1. Okay. So this one is your homework number 2. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. All of you will stay safe and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.